Brand new construction, no HOA, and park views. Yup, this Escondido home is serving up the dream home vibes. Stick around because I'm going to take you inside this stunning 4-bedroom masterpiece. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in San Diego or Escondido, then subscribe and click that bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current market here in San Diego, California. My name is Victoria Sandoval and I'm with Select Premier Properties. We get calls from people just like you every single day, so whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out. My contact information is on the description below and I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to San Diego. Now let's check out this beauty. Escondido is one of San Diego's best kept secrets, close to wineries, hiking trails, great schools, and only 30 minutes to downtown. So you get the suburban comfort with the city convenience. Best of both worlds. And hey, if you're thinking about buying or selling in San Diego, let's chat. I've been doing this for 22 years and I'd love to help you make your next move. All right, let's talk numbers. This stunning brand new home is listed at $9,999, and with no HOA fees, you're saving yourself hundreds of dollars a month, meaning more money in your pocket for home upgrades, for vacations, or maybe just that extra walk at Chipotle. Escondido, get ready. This is the house you've been waiting for. Brand new, modern built, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 2,359 square feet of pure luxury. And guess what? No HOA. Oh, it's literally across the street from a park too. So if you love green space, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned because I'm about to take you inside this stunning 2024 home, and trust me, you're gonna want to see every inch of it. Before we step inside, go ahead and hit that like button, comment, and subscribe because I'm gonna bring you the best homes in San Diego and you don't want to miss them. Welcome to open concept perfection. High vaulted ceilings, gorgeous natural light pouring in, and a seamless flow from the living room into the kitchen. This space was designed for comfort and entertaining. Whether you're hosting a game night or just relaxing with a glass of wine, this home gives you all the vibes. All right, let's talk about this kitchen because wow, quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, top of the line stainless steel appliances, and this huge island, that's basically an invitation for everyone to gather. I mean, picture this, Sunday brunches, wine nights, the midnight snacks, you name it, this kitchen is ready for it. So what I love about this layout is how everything flows effortlessly. The dining area is perfectly placed. The living room area is spacious and cozy and filled with natural light. And yes, that's direct access to the outdoor space. So indoor, outdoor living, check. And for my car lovers or just people who love having extra storage space, this garage is huge. So whether you need space for your vehicles, a home gym, or your Costco hauls, we've got you covered. And this is your bonus space, a spacious loft that could be a second living area, a playroom, a home office, or even a gym. It's flexible, it's functional, and it's just another reason this home is totally a win. Now let me show you where the magic happens. This primary suite, we have oversized windows with beautiful views, and yes, a private balcony. So imagine waking up, stepping outside with your morning coffee, and just soaking up the fresh air. This is the kind of space that makes you excited to get out of bed. And this primary bathroom is like a personal spa. You've got a soaking tub for those relaxing long nights, and an oversized shower, and dual vanities, because we all know sharing a sink can be a struggle, but not here. Every bedroom in this house is a win, but these ones, they come with a view. Imagine waking up to the green space instead of looking out to your neighbor's fence. I mean, that's a major upgrade. And let's not forget, this home has 4 bathrooms. That means no fighting over mirror space in the morning and plenty of room for guests. And check out these finishes: sleek, modern, and built to impress. So the yard is ready for your personal touch. It's fenced in, private, and perfect for pets or kids. Plus, the park is literally across the street. Picnics, jogs, play dates just got way easier. If you love this home so far, drop a comment below. Tell me what your favorite feature is: the kitchen, the loft, the primary suite. I want to hear from you. So who is this home perfect for? Growing families who need space, professionals who want a home office, entertainers who love an open concept layout, or really anyone who just appreciates modern design. Great views and a killer location. All right, that's a wrap on our incredible Escondido home tour. If you're interested in seeing this home in person, reach out to me. I'd love to show you around. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic home tours here in San Diego. Share this with a friend or family member who needs to see it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.